You reckon that's yours?
Well, that's been told off.
Ah, so 39 are not stuck.
Yeah. That is the one that's Dr. Sump or something.
It's some.
Let's see if they get the correct license. Nameless, been a nameless bridge for a while, hasn't it?
They're waiting for you to pay some money and put your name on it.
I want a corner.
Do you want a corner?
I tell you what, Gookson's sound good for a corner. Is any left? Why, you know, been to any since left at Angles that are on there.
Right. Okay, all right. Max, back to the field.